eating meat regularly makes the body system acidic, and that's one of the very important causes of cancer. Did you know that? Ayurveda depends on nonlinear mathematics. And Ayurveda probably has the best base of, and Ayurveda is a beautiful idea. It's not the idea of, Ayurveda's idea is life positive. Swastasya, swastha, rakshitam. Preserve the health of the well. From the community point of view, very economical model. On a given day, about 2% of the people will be sick. 98% are well. If you can try and preserve their wellness without getting them to go into sickness, won't you save millions and millions and trillions of dollars? Now, you all want cancer to go away from this world, no? Is that right? Anybody wants cancer to be here more? More? No? A lot of people want cancer to be here more. Government has permitted 240 chemicals to be used in various human things, including eating things, which are all carcinogenic. I'll give you an example. Many of you don't have lipstick. You know the lipstick you put? It's got so many pro-estrogens that a study recently showed that the western breast size has increased one size more. 30 size has become 31 in the last 25 years because the pro-estrogens in lipstick. I wrote to the airlines here. I wrote to, what's his name? Goyal. Because he insists that the air hostesses put not lipstick once, but before each flight they must put the lipstick. Otherwise they are punished for that. And the supervisor see and say, your lipstick is not up to the mark. So I wrote to him, don't kill your girls. After all, why lipstick? Probably people don't know the history of lipstick. Did you know that? How many of you know the history of lipstick? Nobody? Shall I tell you?
Yes,
secret. The prostitutes in Paris, they were not selling their wares by, exposing themselves. They were putting the color of their vagina onto the lips, so to sell that idea to the prospective customers. That's how lipstick started. Different colors. Jodi, I should not have said that. Anyway, unparliamentary, but that's exactly what it was. And we promote that today. A newborn baby in America today has 242 chemicals in the umbilical cord, which means it has come from the mother. Now, are you really thinking of curtailing cancer? I don't think so. There are 4,000 articles which are not published, hidden, not published under the carpet, which say eating meat regularly makes the body system acidic, and that's one of the very important causes of cancer. Did you know that? You knew that? I see, I didn't know this. Government permits that. Government helps you that. You know the scent you put, puch and all. It has got so many chemicals, carcinogens.